In today's video, we are diving deep into dressing for confidence, specifically tailored for those living with psoriasis. Hi, I'm Vidhi, a natural skincare expert, cosmetic formulator, and co-founder of Folium Cottage. With over 10 years of experience with sensitive skin and complex skin concerns, I offer practical science-backed skincare solutions to help you understand your skin and give it what it truly needs. Have you ever stood in front of your closet feeling a wave of self-doubt wash over you? If you or someone you love has psoriasis, you're not alone in that struggle. But today, we are flipping the script. What if I told you that dress can be your armor, your secret weapon to boost your confidence and make you shine? Today, we'll cover powerful style tips that don't just focus on fabric, but also enhance your self-esteem and help you express your unique personality. So let's get started. Let's take a moment to acknowledge something. Confidence isn't about being flawless. It's about embracing imperfections and owning your story. Personally, even if I don't have psoriasis, but of course other imperfections, and I am still learning to embrace them and shine my unique personality. This also reminds me of a consultation I had with one of our customers, Lena. So Lena has battled psoriasis for years, and for a long time she felt restricted by her skin condition, understandably so. When she was invited to a casual gathering, she panicked. Her arms bore visible patches and she felt uncertain about what to wear. She almost opted for a long sleeve shirt even in the heat just to cover up. But here's where the story takes a turn. Instead of hiding, Lena remembered her vibrant, bold personality. She said she decided to wear a sleeveless, colorful sundress that she loved. What if you walked into a room and felt unstoppable? When Lena walked into that room, people noticed her confidence, her radiant smile before anything else. They didn't even notice her psoriasis. They saw her joy, her spirit. She told me that day became a turning point for her, teaching the valuable lessons that confidence can truly change the way others perceive us and that beauty shines from the inside out. I love this story so much because there's so much positivity and truth to learn from it. Now let's dive into some actionable style tips that can empower you to dress with confidence while being psoriasis friendly. Express yourself with colors and patterns. Colors have the power to uplift your mood. Don't shy away from vibrant hues that reflect your personality. Bright colors can draw attention away from flare spots and illuminate your overall look. If you love prints, go for it. Floral, stripes, or abstract patterns can be fun and distracting. Choose what makes you feel alive. Flattering silhouettes. Finding outfits that highlight your favorite features is essential. Embrace A-line dresses, high-waisted trousers, or relaxed fit tops that flatter your shape. These styles not only allow for comfort but can also give you that confidence boost you really need. Layering with style. Layers add dimension and can be a great way to feel secure. A light jacket or a stylish cardigan can provide enough coverage while still allowing you to wear something you love underneath. Consider lightweight fabrics to ensure you stay cool and comfortable. Let's now talk about the importance of choice in attire. It's not about what you wear, it's about making a choice that empowers you. Dress to reflect your personality, not to hide it. Here are some more tips on making choices that promote confidence. Accessorize boldly. Accessories are a fantastic way to express individuality. Invest in statement pieces like bold necklaces or unique earrings that draw attention and uplift your outfits. They also redirect the focus, allowing you to showcase your personality instead of your insecurities. Pick comfort and match it with style. When picking outfits, ensure they fit well and make you feel comfortable. Clothes should enhance your confidence, not hinder it. When you're comfortable in what you're wearing, it radiates from you, making you more approachable and confident. Get inspired by others. Follow Instagram influencers or fashion bloggers who promote body positivity and inclusivity. Seeing how others embrace their styles can ignite your creativity. You can learn so much from their looks and confidence, which can inspire you to try new things without fear. At the end of the day, living Psoriasis is about embracing your unique journey. Embracing the skin you're in, including any challenges like psoriasis or eczema, is a very powerful journey. Here are a few tips to embrace your imperfections. Practice positive self affirmations. Stand in front of a mirror and acknowledge your beauty by recognizing what you love about yourself. Make it a daily habit to reinforce that you are stronger and more beautiful than any skin condition. This is a very powerful habit that you can build. I did this when I was going through a bad bout of acne on my face. It made me feel so low and made me focus only on my acne. But when I practiced self affirmations and started acknowledging my own beauty, I could see things beyond acne. It was truly deep and a very beautiful experience. Another tip is to surround yourself with encouragement. Connect with communities that embrace and celebrate you, like friends, family, and support groups. These positive vibes can help you feel more confident in your choices. Remember, dressing well is a form of self confidence and self esteem. Like Lena, your style can be a celebration of who you are. When you step out wearing something that makes you feel good, you're not just wearing clothes, you're wearing confidence. And it shows, it will always show. If you found today's tips inspiring, give us a thumbs up and share this video with someone who could use a confidence boost. Don't forget to subscribe for more empowering content. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.